Today I have learned a lesson. I think I should share this also with you. I hope this will help you if you have a physical business. Today I went to a shop to purchase a bread. I asked the shopkeeper, which one is the best bread in your shop? He told me, sir, you should choose this one. There were so many bread. I asked him, why this one? All of them are identical. All of them looks good. He told me, sir, don't take this one. This is a little bit older. Instead, if you choose this, it comes today. It's totally fresh and this brand is new. I also take this bread for my family, and if you choose this, it will also healthy for your family and also healthy for you. After hearing this, I was so happy. This salesperson really cares about me. If he want, he can sell all this older one, but he give me the best one. I was so happy when he told me like this, and I decided in my mind that if I need any type of food, if I need any type of other things, then I will obviously came to his shop because he cares about me. He cares about my health. So I like these things. The moral of the story is later I understand it. If you have a physical business, just apply this. If you have same product, both of them are identical, both of them are same brand, just show your customer that you really care about him. When you show him, he will obviously trust you, and from the next time he will become your loyal customer, and every time if he need anything he will come to your shop, and this will increase your revenue. You will get a lot of money by following this strategy. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.